Now with the dark tea leaf that you've already rolled, you want to split. What you do is you put your fingers in the middle to the spine. On one side, gently tear, and it will split all the way to one side of the stem, to the spine I should say. Then you want to split it pretty much down, not all the way to the end, because otherwise it will not look right. Again, just a continuation of the same thing. This is the back part of the leaf too, so I always like starting there. And just keep splitting the leaf. The tear is very, very easy. Again, do both sides. I always start in the back. Just to make sure I don't go too far down, because like I said, it'll unravel itself and you'll lose your effect. It's always okay to go to the spine, like right there. Okay, see? Makes a kind of a fan kind of shape to it. And just put it right back into your container.